Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Dropbox specifically for managing videos on your iPhone. Dropbox is an excellent cloud storage service that I frequently use. There are several ways to set it up, and there are important details to know about the process, especially if you plan to use Dropbox primarily for video content. If you're planning to use Dropbox mainly for videos, it's important to note that you'll likely need a subscription. The free version of Dropbox offers limited storage, which isn't sufficient for the large file sizes of videos. Subscribing to a Dropbox plan will provide you with the necessary space to store and manage your video files efficiently. Let's get started with setting up Dropbox. The simplest way to begin is by downloading the Dropbox app from the App Store. Open the App Store, search for Dropbox, download and install the app, and then open it. Once the app is installed, log in with your existing Dropbox account or create a new one if you're new to Dropbox. After logging in, adding videos to your Dropbox is straightforward. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. You'll see options to choose the file source, such as photos or files. Select the source, pick the videos you want to upload, and then tap Upload. You can browse and manage your uploaded files in the Files tab within the app. In addition to using the Dropbox app, you can also integrate Dropbox with the Files app on your iPhone. This integration makes it very convenient to drag and drop videos between your device and your Dropbox account. To do this, open the Files app on your iPhone. In the side panel, under the Location section, look for Dropbox. If it's not visible, you might need to enable it by tapping Edit and toggling Dropbox on. Once Dropbox is enabled in the Files app, you may need to sign in or verify your account to access your Dropbox files. After doing so, you'll be able to see your Dropbox folders and files right within the Files app. This integration makes it incredibly easy to drag and drop videos from your iPhone into your Dropbox, streamlining the upload process. Using Dropbox for videos on your iPhone is a great way to manage your video content, ensuring you have access to your files across different devices. Whether you use the Dropbox app or integrate it with the Files app, both methods offer convenient and efficient ways to store and organize your videos. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use Dropbox for videos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more videos to help you make the most of your devices. Peace.